Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Be a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some treats there for you. Your word of the day is the shining light. Shine, baby, shine. It is about you right now. You are the standard. You are what everyone is following out of their wilderness, out of their hard time, out of their troubled waters, out of their tornadoes. You are leading people out and showing them there is a way to believe in themselves. And you're a great standard, great example. It's better to show than just to talk about it. You're actually being about it. So once again, I want you to refill your cup today. Be strong. Remember, take care of yourself. Therefore, let your light shine, baby, shine to its brightest extent. Therefore, you can actually help others, but make sure you keep your light bright. My desire to improve myself transforms fear into strength, because fear fears you. Once you look in the eye, I guarantee it runs the other way, and then you can just illuminate to who you want to be. There's no worries in the world. You're in total control. I raise my thoughts above doubt and find faith in the goodness of the universe. I love and accept myself as a soul, a healer, a foundation, a lover, a parent, a great advisor, the torch, the light that's leading people. It's like you're a lighthouse for the boats that are in troubled water. You're like the torch leading people out of their wilderness. And I discovered the light that dwells within me, which is beautiful, and you honor it. So shine, baby, shine. Continue to do great because you worked so hard to get here. Finish the race and enjoy your life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.